welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Trust Farm Channel. So dear viewers, please try to subscribe. The moment you do subscribe, I become very happy. So guys, I'm doing this work. I'm not paid. I'm just doing it because God created me. God gave me this opportunity. So guys, I don't want money. I don't want what. Guys, just subscribe. I'm doing my work. My work is just making videos, and yours just spreading them all over the whole world. In today's video, I have come just to talk about what we call fresh materials. Sometimes I usually generalize and call them fresh materials, but I usually call them fresh feeds. Then for example, we have potato vines, as you are seeing them. Guys, are you seeing them? These are potato vines. So dear viewers, these are just the things we call fresh materials. So guys, people learned this. People started, growing crops. They grew potatoes to give potato vines to your animals. You do it incorrectly, and you find that you are making your animals suffer from diarrhea, which is very dangerous. So this is the reason as to why I'm here right now to solve everything about fresh materials. So now guys, we said that just wake up, go to your garden, right? Pick your potato vines, take them home, try to store them, then so that they can lose what we call the moist content. We know that when you have potato vines, you are free from spending money, But guys, try to give your animals what we call the potato vines that have wilted a bit, all right? So keep them in the certain room. They spend there like 3 or 2 days. Avoid giving fresh materials, fresh potato vines to your animals. You are going to make them suffer from diarrhea. You find a person is quarreling, a person is asking him or herself that what is the problem? What is bringing this? What is bringing diarrhea in my animals? Guys, please avoid giving what we call fresh potato vines, fresh feeds to your animals. So guys, this problem is in farmers who keep pigs. The moment you do that, we said that now we have solved everything. Get your potato vines, keep them in the certain room. They spend there like 2 or 3 days. We expect such potato vines to have wilted a bit. Then another thing, we expect such vines to have lost the moist content in them completely. Then guys, now let's come to other animals like sheep, goats, and cattle. So when we say fresh materials, farmers who usually keep goats, usually give them what we call banana peelings. The moment you give fresh banana peelings to your animals, especially goats, sheep, guys, you are bringing diarrhea. You are bringing diseases in your animals. Make sure that immediately you peel your bananas, all right? Try to expose such banana peelings on sunshine so that you can remove the other moist content in them. And guys, the moment you do so, then we said that you are ready, you are allowed to provide your animals with banana peelings. But guys, make sure that you put some salt. So the moment you do that, guys, you are feeding your animals very well. So people who have been asking me that Isaac, diarrhea is a problem in our animals. Diarrhea is bringing problems. We are spending a lot of money. Trust me as a channel name. The moment you avoid giving your animals fresh materials, everything will go well and diarrhea will go completely. Till next time, guys. Bye-bye.